somebody speaks and she's somebody who delivers.
Hello,
I don't know what she's saying.
Hello.
I was little interested in knowing when she joined BJP that it's like Arvind Kejriwal time. That Arvind Kejriwal last time in Intra decided to contest election. He decided to contest from New Delhi and pitting himself against Sheila Dikshit, who was the Chief Minister for 15 years. I was expecting same from the Kiran Bedi, that if you are trying to contest election, please come and join Arvind Kejriwal in New Delhi. But unfortunately, she has decided to go to the Krishnanagar. Secondly, when people are asking her, why don't you join in debate with Arvind Kejriwal, not on the floor of the house, that will be inevitable if she wins. But here, because whole world should know where she stands. That is an iconic picture when she was standing with Anna Hazare, and now she's standing with Amit Shah. I think people are asking, "Ye kahan aa gayi tum Kiran Bedi?"
You know, there is a lot of hope that the BJP has pinned on Kiran Bedi. Are you worried? She might not have political experience, but she has shown a lot of mettle as far as an administrator. Are you worried that now there will be a swing towards BJP?
See, I just want to ask a question, because when the BJP has contested the election in Haryana, it has contested in Maharashtra, Jharkhand and JNK, they put only one face, that is Narendra Modi. What happened to Mr. Narendra Modi? They were saying, chalo chale Modi ke saath. This means that the Modi magic is over. Kiran Bedi is being used by BJP as a scapegoat to save Modi from electoral humiliation.
Will we see Aam Aadmi Party, Ashutosh, Arvind Kejriwal now attacking Kiran Bedi? The gloves are off. She's taking on Arvind Kejriwal. She's making comments about you, saying Arvind Kejriwal only propagates negativity.
See, it's not attacking anybody. It's a question of putting questions to her, because there are a lot of questions which needs to be asked. Why she decided to move away from Anna Hazare, and now why she is being seen with Amit Shah? The party about the party, she has said it's the corrupt-most party. Don't vote for her. Now she's joined herself.
Very quickly in the end, a lot of people are talking about infighting within the BJP because of Kiran Bedi. Is that a thing that you should be happy about?
It's not a question of being happy. I'm just little worried about Dr. Harshvardhan, Dr. Jagdish Mukhi, Vijay Gupta, Vijay Goyal and Vijay Gupta. All of them have put in 40-50 years of their career. And when they thought that probably there is some chance, now somebody else coming from outside who has abused BJP left, right and center, has called BJP as the corrupt-most party, and the same person is joining BJP and being projected as Chief Minister. This shows there's a bankruptcy of leadership in BJP, there's a crisis of leadership in BJP.
Well, sympathy there from Ashutosh for the BJP leaders, those who probably were thinking it will be their chance this time. But of course, the gloves are off. This is going to be a battle not only between two personalities, two former colleagues who started working with Anna Hazare, but also, as many are calling it, the fight between Aam Aadmi Party and former Aam Aadmi Party that has gone towards the BJP. With camera person Shakil, Ankit Tyagi in New Delhi for Headlines Today.